Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, been out of the flying game for a minute. Just had a lot of stuff going on. Started a new job, working for an AI company. I had to have my second eye surgery to remove the cataracts, which are a result of the first eye surgery for my retinal detachment. My buddy was borrowing my FPV setup and my goggles and busted his knee really bad on a boat ramp, and ended up going in the water with the goggles on. So we lost a set of goggles. I ended up smashing my last GoPro 7, and you know, everybody knows I fly the Remix, and there really aren't a lot of good GoPro mounts for the Remix because it's an older frame and a lot of people fly it. So I was kind of giving up and thinking about flying a different frame, and reached out on a few groups, and was lucky enough that I met up with Kyle from Frozenwebdesings, and he offered to design me a custom GoPro mount for the Remix. And we kind of worked together on some measurements and kind of the mount style that I wanted, and he created this awesome mount for this frame. It was just awesome working with him, and this is exactly what I wanted. Anybody that flies the Remix knows it's a 5.5-inch frame, but most of the mounts that are for the Remix are low to keep the CG low, which is a good thing, but it doesn't allow you to take advantage of the 5.5-inch arms because the prop actually passes underneath the front corners of the GoPro mount. And even on the 7, which is smaller than the Hero 9, 10, 11 mount, which is what I had designed, it will still hit the corner of the mount. So I wanted something a little bit taller that'll allow me to run 5.5-inch props and a Hero 10, 11, 9, 12, you know, whatever. So that's what we came up with, and he did a super good job of getting the mount exactly how I wanted it. And I mean, it's absolutely perfect. The print quality is amazing. The colors are awesome. He already had GoPro mounts in his collection of stuff that he offers. So his mounts are really unique. They're really rigid, but they have a lot of corner protection without being super bulky and super heavy. Full back protection for the screen, which is what I like. And then also there's this little slit you can see right here, and that allows you to slip the GoPro in where the mount is loose enough that the GoPro goes in easy. But when you get it in there, you can torque it down by pulling this lip up over the edge of the screen, and then it locks the GoPro in. So it's loose enough that it's easy to get the GoPro in and out if you need to change settings or do whatever you need to do, you know, pop a new memory card in. But at the same time, it's tight when you lock it in with that little cubby right there. So super amazing. I'm excited to go out and fly. I haven't flown yet. Man, it's been months. So I'm at the park. I brought the Remix, got the mount on there, got my Hero 10 in there. You know, I was just really kind of just not a good place with flying, and I thought that once I lost the 7, you know, I wasn't going to be able to get a mount that would, you know, be a universal mount or would accommodate a 9, 10, or an 11. And so yeah, hit Kyle up at Frozenwebdesings if you want something custom, or if you want this mount and you fly a Remix but you can't find a way to run a 10 or an 11 on it. This is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump out here. Ooh, ooh. Lock it in. All right. Oh, that shit had my freaking diopter set way the fuck off. Or my, what do you call that? The distance between your eyes. Okay, so now we got hypersmooth on. I wonder if I have focus mode on, but the edges seem a little blurry. I hate focus mode. know if I can go all the way around the track or not. It's a fly on my hand. Let's see. 34 megabits, we're still going. They actually repaved this a little bit ago. That's pretty good. I'm at 50.8 right here. I'm like all the way off to my side. Get off me, fly. A little bit of a break up there, but not bad. Sweet. Just nice little cruisy cruise. Whoa. Almost did not give it enough throttle there. Come on, Carrie. Yes. To the moon. Ah, a little bit of a branch clippage. Somebody's here. But who? Stupid fly is really starting to piss me off. Speed racer. That was a little sketchy. Coming in hot from the moon. I think we're getting a little low on juice here. Nope, not gonna make it. Focus mode is on. I don't like it. Alright, let's not kill this battery completely.
I'll be back.
Woohoo!
It really comes down to
Not
this.
too bad. Hey, how's it going?
I like that.
Hey, thank you. I haven't flown in a while, so I figured I'd warm up at the park.
Man, that was pretty good flying.
Hey, thank you.
So you can just see through the VR.
Yeah, you can come check it out if you want. It's not bad.